Your fingerprint sensor is not responding after water damage, and we have the precise fix to get it working again right now. This guide will walk you through restoring your phone's biometric security after it took an unexpected dip. The first crucial step is immediate power down to prevent internal short circuits and allow the device to dry thoroughly. Once powered off, gently blot any visible moisture and then place the device in a sealed container with silica gel packets for at least 24 to 48 hours, avoiding any artificial heat sources. If that doesn't clear the issue, the problem often lies with residual moisture or grime on the sensor itself, which leads us to method 2. For method 2, carefully use a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the fingerprint reader surface, ensuring all residue is removed and the area is completely dry before powering the device back on. If the sensor still acts up, it's time to reset the biometric data, which is method 3. Navigate to your device's security settings, find the biometrics section, delete all previously registered fingerprints, then power cycle your phone and attempt to re-register them. Should the problem persist, the issue might be a software glitch, bringing us to method 4, where we'll perform a system cache wipe via recovery mode, then reboot and check for any available software updates, which can often resolve complex issues, preventing